Well, listen, it was a big bust in Baltimore. Materials to make illegal guns, dangerous drugs, and scales all seized from a home.
But that's not all. Police say the North Baltimore home was where a trafficking network was operating for the last several months now.
Baltimore's police commissioner said the department has been aggressively going after those making ghost guns.
And WJZ live at 5 o'clock tonight, Rachel Carden explains what they are and why the department, Rachel, is so focused on these.
Well, Rick, Nicole, police can't track ghost guns, oftentimes because they're made of miscellaneous materials, different parts that don't match. Usually they don't even have a serial number. Now they're falling into the hands of convicted felons, even children here in Baltimore City. They're simply buying them online. A 3-month investigation ends with 4 arrests and the seizure of guns and drugs.
1,200 grams of suspected ecstasy, over 1,900 pills of suspected fentanyl, cocaine, heroin, scales for drug distribution, 15 firearms, and parts to manufacture 40 additional polymer 80 handguns, also known as ghost guns.
BPD has been aggressively going after ghost gun manufacturers and distributors, seizing 140 so far this year, a number 400% higher than the ghost guns taken off the street in 2019.
These firearms have increasingly found themselves in the hands of criminals, prohibited convicted felons, and even gun traffickers because they know we cannot track them back to their origin.
Many ghost guns have been recovered from people under the age of 21, with the youngest being a 14-year-old. A seizure Commissioner Harrison told WJZ about back in May.
What you see before us is guns that we know would have been used to rob somebody. We know would have been used to shoot someone.
19-year-old Jordan Jones, 29-year-old Edward Miles, and 39-year-olds Latoya McCoy and Norman Forrest face a slew of charges related to gun and drug trafficking. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security helped Baltimore City Police take the group down.
Today, we take a step further in our fight against criminal networks by stemming the flow of illegal firearm sales and destructive drugs within our communities.
Now, the mayor and police commissioner both say they hope that these arrests send a clear message to other traffickers that this will not be tolerated. They will be caught and held accountable. We're live outside of Baltimore City Police headquarters. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.